In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple bank accounts to Stripe. To get started, sign in to your Stripe account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage more than one, since payout settings are tied to the specific Stripe account you're currently viewing. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which appears as a small gear, and click on it to open your account settings. From there, go into Business Settings. This is where Stripe keeps important payout and banking options, so if you've never explored this area before, don't worry, you're in the right place. Inside Business Settings, find and click Bank Accounts and Currencies. This section allows you to manage where your payouts are sent and which currencies are connected to each bank account. Next, click Add a Bank Account or Add Settlement Currency. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Stripe setup or region, but the goal is the same. You're adding another destination for payouts. When prompted, select the currency for the new bank account. This part is important because Stripe uses the selected currency to determine how payouts will be routed, so choose the one that matches the bank account you're adding. After that, enter the bank account details carefully. Take your time here and double-check everything before moving on. Even a small mistake in the account information can delay payouts or cause verification issues later. Once the details are entered, complete any required verification steps. Depending on your location and account type, Stripe may ask for additional confirmation to make sure the bank account is valid and securely connected. When everything looks correct, click Save. At this point, the new bank account should be added to your Stripe payout settings. If you want to add more bank accounts, simply repeat the same process for each additional one. This is especially useful if you receive payouts in different currencies or want separate bank accounts for different settlement needs. After adding all the accounts you need, take a moment to review your bank accounts and the payout currencies assigned to each one. This final check helps ensure that each currency is going to the correct bank account and that your payout setup matches how you want your business funds to be handled. If Stripe prompts you to save any remaining changes, go ahead and do that before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple bank accounts to Stripe. Thanks for watching.